Hey guys, it's Rick at Elijah Tooling. Listen, maybe I can do this in 2 minutes. We'll see. But I want to show you something really exciting today. This is our roller table. Now we have previously talked about a roller table that is flat. This one works with, you can see it's got the shock absorbers. What happens is it will reach through the window that you're dealing with, and then it will tilt down to the table. So what we ran into when designing this is if it's not the right height, then it will bang into your machine. So what we did is we created a solution that allows us to increase the height of these struts and then tilt down. So what I'd like to do is demonstrate this today, show you how it works, and also just kind of point out some of the features of it. We're going to have Hannah help us. Hannah, come here. So you can see Hannah is not a big old burly machinist. Can you press 300 pounds?
No way.
No way. But she can do this all by herself. So that's pretty exciting. We're going to let her do it, and we'll while we're doing it, you'll see kind of what has to happen to enable this. So Hannah, let's first of all, so just a couple things. We've got roller tables, so you can move it around in your shop, in your situation. We've got brakes on them so that it's not going to move around. We've got some bump pads here that we can control where it sits in the table. We also have the length here that is controlled, and we can change that by changing where it sits on this rail. And then of course the struts can be raised or lowered depending on your particular application. So that's kind of the goal here, what we're trying to do. And later on, when we retrieve the trunnion, we'll be talking about a facilitator plate. And it's on here now, but I'm going to take it off before we roll it down. So Hannah is going to take us through this. You okay with this?
I'm good.
Feel like a daredevil?
I'm feeling good about it.
All right. Sweet. Okay, so she's gonna, so these little levers over here, if the levers are up, it means we want to go up. If the levers are down, we want to go down, and that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to go down. All right.
Ready?
Yep. You're the star. Push, and watch it. There it goes. Okay, so she's going to bring it back up. A little bit more complicated to do it, and we're going to be using that facilitator plate that I referred to earlier. So here we go. Hannah's going to flip the switches. I'm going to stand on the table somewhere along the way here. It's got to lift it a little bit so that the facilitator plate will go down underneath it. There we go. And rock and roll. Good job, Hannah. This thing is working. And now it's coming down, as you can see, and it will eventually rest back in its spot. Ready for the next time. So the beauty of this setup, while she's finishing up, is we can get the trunnion on and off of the machine literally seconds. And then with the quick change plates, we can locate it on the machine and set up this 5-axis device in 3 minutes, 8 seconds. That's what we tested it at. So There we go. All right. Thank you, Hannah. Appreciate it. That's it. What do you think, guys?